Leave your inner wimpy bitch person at home. Do not allow them to dictate how you live your life, what you do, your attitude towards yourself, because they're a loser. They've got a loser's attitude. They're a victim. And when you become this person, you don't make any progress, or you make bugger all progress. You're negative, your excuses, you're not getting where you want to be. So leave this little wimpy bitch person at home. Kick them under the house, punch them in the face, get rid of them. If they come back and feature, you tell them to get the fuck out of here. Okay? Because people that we want, the person that we want, is the motivated, driven, go hard, can do, positive person. We want that person. And that's what gets us our gains, gets us feeling good, gets us nailing the things that we need to nail. And that person is who we always want to look for. So, if we find ourselves in a position where that bitch person is starting to creep in, okay, we just counter it with some positivity, can-do attitude, some training we reactivate ourselves with, or going and doing something, or having positive thought and just registering, okay, that's a bitch person, you can get the hell out, and I'm going to go and smash some training out. I'm going to go and smash some weights or some cardio or some strength training, whatever. Okay, that's who we want to smash our gains with, staying in that positive mind state, killing it. Alright team, love your work.